Awning window installation. Birmingham is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles available, residents can select from custom awning windows, vinyl awning windows, and aluminum awning windows to suit their specific needs. Awning windows. Birmingham contractors offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient awning windows. Birmingham are a top priority for those looking to reduce energy costs. Awning window benefits include improved insulation and reduced heat transfer, making them an excellent choice for energy-conscious homeowners. Awning window experts in Birmingham can provide guidance on selecting the most energy-efficient options for your home. Awning window replacement. Birmingham is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular awning window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and ensure that your windows continue to function optimally. Awning window specialists in Birmingham offer comprehensive replacement services to address any issues that may arise. Custom awning windows. Birmingham allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their unique style preferences. Awning window designs in Birmingham range from traditional to contemporary, providing a wide array of options for customization. Awning window companies in Birmingham can assist in creating bespoke solutions tailored to individual tastes. Awning window replacement. Birmingham is a practical solution for outdated or damaged windows. Awning window providers in Birmingham offer a range of replacement options, including vinyl and aluminum awning windows, to enhance the appearance and efficiency of your home. Awning window manufacturers in Birmingham produce high-quality products to ensure durability and performance. Awning window prices in Birmingham vary based on materials, styles, and customization options. Awning window dealers in Birmingham can provide detailed pricing information and help you find the best solution within your budget. Awning window features such as energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetic appeal contribute to the overall value of your investment. Awning windows. Birmingham materials include vinyl and aluminum, each offering distinct advantages. Vinyl awning windows. Birmingham are known for their energy efficiency and low maintenance requirements, while aluminum awning windows in Birmingham offer strength and durability. Awning window suppliers in Birmingham can help you choose the right material for your needs. Awning windows. Birmingham solutions are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. Whether you're looking for increased ventilation, enhanced security, or improved energy efficiency, awning window options in Birmingham can provide the perfect solution. Awning windows. Birmingham services encompass everything from installation to maintenance, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Awning windows. Birmingham contractors are skilled professionals who can handle all aspects of window installation and replacement. With extensive experience in the industry, these contractors offer reliable and efficient services to meet your needs. Awning window companies in Birmingham are committed to delivering high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service.